Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
First, sign in to the same Apple ID on your iPhone as on your Mac. Open Settings and tap your name to confirm the exact account email. Next, go to iCloud Settings and enable calendar syncing for that Apple ID. Make sure iOS is updated to a recent version to avoid compatibility issues. Restart the iPhone after enabling iCloud Calendar to force an initial sync and reduce errors. This step ensures your device is properly authorized to share calendar data with iCloud. On your Mac, open System Settings and sign in to the same Apple ID used on the iPhone. Click your Apple ID, then select iCloud and enable calendar syncing for the account. Close and reopen the Calendar app to allow it to fetch iCloud events immediately. If prompted, confirm you want to merge local calendars with iCloud to preserve all events. Finally, restart your Mac if events still do not appear to force a full iCloud sync, and resolve lingering sync states. If events do not appear immediately, verify them at iCloud. Using your Apple ID. Log in and open Calendar to confirm events exist on the cloud and identify missing items. On either device, toggle iCloud Calendar off and back on to force synchronization and re-upload local events. Make sure both devices are on Wi-Fi and not in low power mode to allow full sync activity. Finally, check for duplicate accounts like Exchange or Google that may conflict and disable their separate calendar sync if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.